Hi friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will follow along with the KDP book that I'm preparing for the spring coloring book. But today the drawings that I will be doing, I will show you how I upload to Society6. I wanted to include this part on the previous week video, but then I decided that it will be too large and I just created another video for you. So in today's you will find out new drawings and how I upload those to another platform. I haven't told you about TeePublic. It is another platform like Redbubble, but TeePublic is actually the sister of Redbubble, and if you create now the account on Redbubble, automatically all the drawings are uploaded to TeePublic. It's not my case because I have the account created earlier than it was a sister of Redbubble, and I have to upload on both platforms at the same time. And this is the reason that I will share with you today Society6 and not TeePublic. That these three platforms are within the most known to upload digital products and to have some royalties from your drawings over there. For those of you who are for the first time here, my name is Ala, I'm a sketch illustrator and watercolorist. And from this 2025, I'm a digital artist too. If you are an artist looking to monetize your work or just curious about the process, stick around because in today's video I'm going to share with you all the steps how I upload my Procreate art to Society6. Every design starts in my sketchbook, and in my previous video I already shared how I draw it with pencil first because it gives me flexibility to refine my ideas, and then I'm taking the picture and creating it with hand-drawn doodles on my Procreate, on my iPad. That will work great as prints or patterns for products on Society6. The designs that I create in Procreate are already 300 dpi and have a high resolution, but still later on you will find out that it is not sufficient for Society6 designs. Some of the designs will work very well, but others will be a low dimension of this artwork. Here on Procreate, I redraw and clean up the design, making sure the lines are crisp and ready for printing. Since Society6 offers large-scale prints, I already work, as I mentioned, with the high-resolution files to maintain quality across different products. But still, if you are working with some bigger products, you will need a higher resolution though. Society6 has a wide range of products from art prints to pillows and phone cases. So I like to create multiple versions of my designs, some with transparent backgrounds, others with different colors to fit different product types. In today's video I will share how I upload the designs with the different colors. But still the idea is that only the drawing that it can work too. And as I mentioned in my previous video too, once my designs are live, I can repurpose these designs for other platforms like Amazon KDP to create coloring books or Redbubble as I showed you last week. So let's start. First we upload a file. We make sure that the file is a PNG file already. So what I did, I transferred the PNG file from Procreate to my computer and I upload it directly to Society6. Since I already have the account, I started along with the uploading the design. Later on I will share even from the beginning because I started recording a little bit late this video. And as you saw, I have uploaded the design first, then I wrote down the title. I chose within the design details and I applied with the description. You have to create a description that will have SEO keywords that can be uploaded easily. Since I haven't chosen all the design details here, the drawing is not uploaded on the platform. It is my first time in a while that I'm uploading on Society6. Several years ago, I was more active on this platform, and today it took me a while to get back on this. So I choose every details. I add some tags. The tags are helping me to promote more the drawing, and that people who are looking for this or similar designs that can find my design through these tags, and it is important to create those properly. The design details are important because you show which is your drawing and about what it is. And as I have drawn these daffodils, I uploaded those, and once I uploaded the design, I go to the products part. As we did in Redbubble, not all of the designs are open to sale, so you have to go one by one to list those for selling. But some of those, in this case, in Redbubble, it haven't been shown, but some of those are showing that are low dimensions, so the dimensions are not proper to sell that design. Other designs like this, you can see that the drawing is not fitting inside, so I have to scale it and to change the scale. And more or less when I'm happy, this is everything I wanted to do. I save and close. Now I will show you again another drawing. So first I have to upload the drawing. I decide on the drawing that I want to upload. I upload the file. I wait till the drawing is uploaded. Then I write a design title. The design title as well, try to create it as SEO with a SEO orientation, because the customer can find it easier. In this case, because it's a demo version, I go fast, but try to put more effort into these details, like design details, the title and the description. So this time the design details, I won't skip anyone. I will go one by one. So apart from the subject, I decide on the what type of the art is, the style, the medium. I also see I will also write down the tags that are more related to the drawing itself. And since everything is done, I proceed with the description. The description, I use ChatGPT for creating a beautiful and SEO with the SEO keywords description, because it looks pretty nice for me. I'm checking that everything is done. Now I add the description from ChatGPT. So everything looks fine. I agree with everything that I should have. I save the product and I move along with the product. So I have here the details of the drawing itself, and I go to the product side to look how it looks on the final product. It's important to check everything, because some of the products looks nice but others not so. So this is why it's time to check again if all the products are on sale and if the dimensions allow us to look nice our final product. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the process of uploading these drawings with me to Society6. If you have any questions, leave in the comments down below. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you still have any questions, please leave them down below. And as well, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Until the next time. Bye.